I'll start out with some XPS insulation foam. I measure the display case's dimensions, mark the foam, and then cut it to size. I use the first piece as a template to cut the second piece. After that's done, I trim up the edges and then start laying out the track. I trace out the track and the train's outline, and then I trace the terrain outline. After the terrain has been traced, I use a hot wire cutter, cut the foam, and then score some marks into it. I then glue the top and bottom pieces together. After they're glued together, I can apply more surface texture using a rock and the hot wire cutter again. Once I'm satisfied with the results, I can move on to adding some details to the terrain. These are going to be drill holes where dynamite was inserted to blast out part of the rock. These are commonly seen throughout the Rocky Mountains along old railroad tracks cut through the mountain. I then mix plaster, Mod Podge, and some paint together to create a terrain coating. I paint over the surface, making sure not to coat too heavily. I can then paint the rocks a medium gray color, and I paint the rest of the terrain the same color since the medium gray works well as an undercoat. The ground portion is then painted yellow. Then it's time to apply model wash. I apply my favorite model washes and mix those in with some light brushing. I repeat this until I'm satisfied with the results. I then add some accents to the rocks with some more rock wash, along with the drill holes. I then start applying the terrain wash. It's the same process as applying color wash to the rock face. Next, I paint the track. I first paint it with a thick dark brown color and then coat it with a lighter brown color so that the dark brown shines through. I then apply glue to the bottom of the railroad track and apply the railroad track onto the model. Next, it's time to apply the ballast. I'm using some mostly gray ballast with white and brown ballast mixed in. Once I lay it down and use a brush to even it out, I spray it with some detergent mix and then add glue. Once the glue is dried, I can dry brush the red pigment powder to give the rocks a dirty reddish color, and I do the same with some of the ballast. I then sand the top of the track to give it a well-worn appearance. Then I paint the back and sides a flat matte black. I test the fit with a boxcar, making sure there is no ballast too close to the track. After that, I'm done.